just so glow.
Hello, so silky smooth, and just let it shine through. Just let your soul glow.
Baby, I'm back by popular demand.
To my channel, it's your girl on Simone, also known as Simone. And on today's video, we will be jumping right into it, and we will be reviewing cheap Amazon wigs. That's right, wigs from Amazon. I got this idea from, what is her name, Brittany Nicole, and I wanted to try it out. And one of the wigs looked so bomb on her. I was like, oh my god, like I just have to try it. So I ordered that wig and two other wigs. So I just wanted to give my review of these Amazon wigs and if they're worth the money. They are curly, like fro style wigs, and I was really into it for the summer look. This is also another wig, and details in a video for this wig will be coming soon. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first wig we're going to start with is this ombre T427 color wig, and it came with one clip in the front here, and then it is adjustable down here at the bottom, and the cap is breathable in the back as well. The top is not, because it came with bangs. I went ahead and layered them myself, and then I just sprayed it with water and fluffed it out. The curls were much tighter, as you will see in the next wig, and we're just gonna go ahead and pop this on. And this is what she's giving. I feel like I'm having like a Diana Ross big hair moment with this. It is super cute. I love the bounce to it. It is pretty dense. Well, is that the right word? It's very full and thick is what I'm trying to say. I love the bangs. I don't know if I need to thin them out some more to give it the look that I'm going for, but it's giving me very much wash and go, head out with the girls. Let's get into look number 2. This is how they originally come, and it comes with a wig brush, wig caps. I believe the other wig came with nude caps. It also comes with care instructions, a knitted weaving cap, which this one is not really, it's like the lunch lady type of cap, but in the middle of it, it has a hole in it when I use the one from the other bag. Oh, okay, so here is the nude one. So it came with black and nude, and 2 caps come in each packaging. And then it also comes with the netting still on it. Let's see if I can find it to open it. And again, I got this one in black. And take the styrofoam out of it. So, same setup, open, no combs in the back, 1 comb in the top area where the fake lace kind of situation is going in, enclosure to make it a full wig with the bangs. And these bangs have not been cut, so they are a little longer, and this is what the curls look like without being sprayed down and fluffed out. Not really a huge difference. Some of them are just already mangy, but I'm gonna shake it out to loosen up the curls and give it a little bit more body. And then we're gonna just put her on really quickly. Well, first I need to put the combs in it so it can fit on my head. And now go front to back and position it. And tuck the tag in. All right. So this is what she looks like. I look like the guy from Coming to America that dated Lisa before she met Prince Hakeem. I look like I could be a part of their family. It's giving very much his mom's hair. Look like the strong bang and the big curls, juicy curls. I feel like I would have to thin this one out more so because they're, oh, okay, and it's already shedding. I didn't even brush it, I just shook it out and it's shedding. I feel like I would have to thin this out just because it's black and add some layers to it, because I really feel like I'm a part of their family. I forgot their last name. I know it was the McDowells who own McDowell's, of course, but I don't remember. I don't know, but they had the Jerry Curl spray. Soul Glow, that's what it is. So let your soul glow. That's what I feel like. So we're just gonna move into the next one. So last one, but not least, is a Wigs. This is the packaging it came in. It says it is the short red Afro curly. So this is the wig that I just had to have off of her review. It gave very much Rihanna vibes. So I thought. It did on her. So I ordered the same wig, and I don't know if they played jokes on me or what, but I'm gonna insert a clip of what it looked like when I first got it. This is what it looks like now. Again, it's been in the bag, but as you can see, the curls are, I don't even know what it's giving anymore. It's like very matted, very, it's going to the trash after I finish this video. Unless I can put some water on it, and it's very soft. I know I could say that, but when you pop this on, just like the other ones, constructed the same way, just no comb in the front because there is no bang. It's given very much Annie Ronald McDonald's daughter. Like, this is not what it was supposed to give. But I don't even know. I promised of putting this on just to go to my mom's house, and I just basically gave everybody a laugh. I'm looking off into the mirror next to me. I'm not sure that I really like this. You know what? I am sure I don't like this. I like the concept. It didn't say short, or at least I didn't see it when I ordered it. So with the one that Brittany Nicole had, hers was longer. It had more body. I can't remember where Rihanna was going, but that curl effect is what I was going for. And I don't really do color to my hair unless it's in wig form. I have had like a Cheerwine rig, straight wig before. So I wanted to try curly to try to recreate that look and see how it would look on myself. But this is not giving what it was supposed to give. Like, Miss Ma'am has been sitting in the bag since I first put her on. Well, took her out and like tried to work with it, and I wore it out once and it didn't work, and it's been right in this bag. And as you can see, even with being in the bag, like, I don't know, did the beauty supply store wigs do better than this out the bag? Like, I'm just not sure, because it's just really matted up here in the top, and I don't know if I spray water on it and comb it through, if it'll get a little better. Comment down below if you like it. Also comment down below if you like this video. If you want me to do more wig try-ons from Amazon, I guess you guys can comment down below which ones you guys want, request, and want me to try out to give you my honest review on them. I think I'm going to stick to beauty supply store wigs, to be honest with you, because I just really don't trust the hair circuit on Amazon all that much. I did purchase a headband wig from Amazon, and I was thoroughly pleased with that wig. I've actually done a couple videos with that wig on, so I will link some pictures of that. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you are a new subby, hey girl, hey, make sure you hit that notification bell and that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you stayed this long and you're a part of the squad, thank you for sticking with us. And remember, stay blessed, stay you, stay true. Peace and love. Catch you next time.